Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create a Messi in Infinity Craft. So let us begin. First you need earth and wind, create dust. Now wind it and your sandstorm. Combine two sandstorms to get a dust storm. Now take a sandstorm and dust storm and a dust bowl. Now take water and dust to create a mud. Combine them and you have a mud bowl. Now we have mud and you have football. My football and football, you have soccer. Take dust, bind it with it, you have a Messi. And that's it. I hope that helped and I will see you later.